I'm not running from the casualties, 'cause it matters but it's not bad for me, 'cause we're living in a masterpiece, yeah. Lately, when life is moving way too fast for me, but I've been taking off my mask to see that we're living in a masterpiece, yeah. We built houses on top of all the hills and mountains, but I'm not scared to fall from it. When I have your hand in mine, maybe we'll look back and see our dreams from far away, that we had all that we could need to be happy. If we could do this different, we would choose it all the same, 'cause we have all that we could need to be happy. We could need to be happy. We could need. Baby, when our world was falling painfully and there was nothing left to make believe, I stayed with you, you stayed with me, yeah. Changing all the ways I thought it had to be, 'cause I don't have to live so tactfully. We're living in a masterpiece, yeah. Oh, we built houses on top of all the hills and mountains, but I'm not scared to fall from it. When I have your hand in mine, maybe we'll look back and see our dreams from far away, that we had all that we could need to be happy. If we could do this different, we would choose it all the same, 'cause we have all that we could need to be happy. Maybe we'll look back and see our dreams from far away, that we had all that we could need to be happy. If we could do this different, we would choose it all the same, 'cause we have all that we could need to be happy.
I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. It could took away my pain and you let me feel so safe and peacefully calm. Dark run away, season cold again when you are around. Your voice is near, right beside my ears, and I'll fall asleep again into your touch and soothe my dark. To glow it out, I see the blue of your flowers inside your heart, and stars held by your eyes bring me to blue sky, and you hold me by your side in a dream of me. You're the town of my dark and the place of my grief.
She She's in a sunshine state of mind, wearing a halo to one side. Got a little broken, it's alright. Bound to hit your head when you're learning to fly. In the Saturn with no bills, feels like it's all been uphill. Can't catch a break now, the heat kills. Rather be rolling than be standing still. Heights that are meant to be, type in your destiny. Get there eventually, yeah, we're gonna find out what they're talking about. We'll be living it up in California. We'll be living it up how it's supposed to. We'll be living it up top down in Hollywood. Girl always looking good. Sunset around the hood. Let's go because we'll be living it up. We're partying's a job and a lifestyle. Waking up to work hard and get wild. Reaching them stars might take a while, but for now you're still a beautiful sunchild. Where you wanna be, type in the destiny. Get there eventually, yeah, we're gonna find out what they're talking about. We'll be living it up in California. We'll be living it up how it's supposed to. We'll be living it up top down in Hollywood. Girl always looking good. Sunset on the hood. Let's go because we'll be living it up. Small town with no one stranger, but I'm the one brand new. Met all of my neighbors, but just remember you. I'm alive with the phone in your left hand. Look me up and down and then you said, who are you? In the back of the car we left the party when you took me by the hand. In front of the prom king like you hardly know my neighborhood. Leaving me so alone, till you don't know where to go. Running in circles till it's 'cause I know I just can't beat you. You're something special, but damn it's stressful. 'Cause you keep sending sign after the sign, but I can't beat you. You hit my mention, then leave me guessing. Yeah, you keep sending sign after the sign, oh yeah. And you beg me to go dancing, so don't wait, just meet me there. And I waited out in line. I probably should've stayed away, but I came when you say one more time. In the back of the car we left the party when you took me by the hand. In front of the prom king like you hardly know my neighborhood. Leaving me so alone, I could pull on till you don't know where to go. Running in circles till it's 'cause I know I just can't beat you. You're something special, but damn it's stressful. 'Cause you keep sending sign after the sign, but I can't beat you. You hit my mention, then leave me guessing. Yeah, you keep sending sign after the sign, oh yeah. A lot of attention told me that we had a connection. If this is such a straight affection, why, yeah, a lot of attention can't beat you. You're something special, but damn you're stressful. Cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't beat you. You're something special, but damn you're stressful. Cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't beat you. You hit my mention, then leave me guessing. Yeah, you keep sending sign after sign, oh yeah. You beg me to dancing, so don't wait, just make me there. No way, sign after sign, but I can't beat you. I promise you to stay away, but I can't when you say one time.
It's 5:50 something, and I feel so empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky is turning red. The sparkling clouds around, or do I just get drunk? Well, it doesn't matter, as long as it looks warm. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. No talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. The sound of their love and their funny talk, it's getting so loud as I keep thinking of those moments. I miss the times where I don't have to think so deeply, where I don't have to understand what does life means. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. No talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. It's not actually good to be alone by yourself. From what I've been hiding, it's better if you have someone you can speak to, even if it's only a thing you love. Emotions are made to be destroyed. I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. It could took away my pain, and you let me feel so safe and peacefully calm. Dark run away, season cold again when you are around. Your voice is near, right beside my ears, and I'll fall asleep again into your touch and soothe my tired to glowing out. I see the blue of your flowers inside your heart, and stars held by your eyes bring me to blue sky, and you hold me by your side in a dream of me. You're the town of my dark and the place of my grief. It's getting cold right here in the night at some place with the same air you breathe. I take a deep thought in place. I never understand why do I have to fall that hard for you. It's getting more and more hurt as I know that you'll never get to me. I'll never get this emotional, which is a song that someone wrote. It's like I'm reading a story of how my life is in the past. I never thought that I could ever find someone who feels the same way as me. It's just that this someone is different from me, that I will never talk to him. Dream, you are in reveries of mine. Dream, I could never get to talk to you. And even if we could meet someday, you'll never see me the same I do. This is the only thing I can do, write a song for you. When someone knocks the door, somehow I wish it would be you. And every time I walk, somehow I hope I could see you. Even if you are covered with a hat or a big hoodie of yours, I will recognize easily, cause I know exactly how you look. It might be weird for some people who don't understand, but I don't know how can I erase these feelings of mine. And even if I could delete all your sounds and the pictures in my phone, the memories of how I could be happy is lingering in my thoughts. Dream, you are in reveries of mine. Dream, I could never get to talk to you. And even if we could meet someday, you'll never see me the same I do. This is the only thing I can do, write a song for you. Saying how should it be is now never get to see. Talking about the reality is now never get to hurt. Some people might not understand that he is the only one I want now. But no, I shouldn't think like that, cause it will trouble him. Dream, you are in reveries of mine. Dream, I could never get to talk to you. And even if we could meet someday, you'll never see me the same I do. This is the only thing I can do, write a song for you. Tired, I'm tired, I'm feeling so tired. I've lost, I can't sleep tonight. Cry, I cry as time passes by. It's 2 at night, I can't sleep tonight. Why, just why, I feel unalive. I'm trapped in what I call my mind. Love, it's love, what even is love? Now I'm empty, empty, empty. I still don't change. I'm still down here. Thought I'd change. I'm so broken, broken, broken. Love, I love to cover my thoughts. Don't want anyone to cross my thoughts. Tired, I'm feeling so tired. Tired, I'm tired, will I hold it last? Far away you are, your presence, existence. Far away you understand. I was a loser, so blind with desires. I don't know what I wanna do. I don't know how I gonna do. Losing faith, losing mind, lost the path. So easy to feel, so easy to see. Break broken, it's just a daily meal for me. Till I knew you, I didn't know what to do. I was messed up, oh, I was losing hope. Like you wanted to give up, but there is something pulled me back. I can't cry, just wanna scream. Sweets are my only friends, oh, it tastes bitter. My hands are tired, and I lost my hope. Till I see you, I didn't know what to do. Far away, you are, your presence, existence. Far away, you are, your voices, your colors. In the air, I wait for your voice to hum me. I wanna reach you, only you. Leaving the house, I start to walk through the path I make myself. Forgetting all the mind, didn't care. I pretended that I was so brave. I didn't understand that I was so weak, so blind, so unavailable. I was like a clown, making people laugh on myself. And I sing like a fool. I was waiting for the claps with a broken sound and start to shake. I stand like I'm dying till the end. I keep falling down as the eyes looking at me. They say, stupid. I hear myself in the bathroom. I get out of it, didn't cry. Said I'm okay with a smiling face, looking through the mirror. I felt lost. I get through this kind of depression a few times before I write. I can write, I can write. You didn't know, don't you? Feel like I was so stupid. When I first saw you, I feel like there's a rainbow suddenly comes through my heart. With only that smile of yours and the way you talk calmly. Ooh, as the time goes by, for only a few seconds, I got to fall for you. Oh, this is so strange, this is so weird, 'cause I got hurt every time I see you. If only you are in the same place as me. If only I am in the same world as you. Maybe we can go for a walk under the streetlights, with an out to winter flowers and the falling leaves as its finery. As you hold my hand, I feel the warmth of your existence, but I know it's just only in my reveries. Lately I've been thinking about you a lot of times. Even when I fall asleep, your smile appears in my dreams. It's sad to know the truth, that you're not even know me. But I can stop praising you and complimenting you. Even if far away and you're not here, what I say. But if only there's a way to make you see me, I would do anything to make that happen. If only you are in the same place as me. If only I am in the same world as you. Take me back to when I didn't know you, 'cause these feelings I feel is such a waste. But I keep seeing you and can't stop listening to your voice, even if it's just a picture and a few of your recordings. If only you are in the same place as me. If only I am in the same world as you. Maybe we can go for under the streetlights, looking into your flowers and the falling leaves as this finery. But you hold my hand and I feel the warmth of your existence. But I know it's just only in my reveries. If only you are in the same place as me. If only I am in the same world as you. Tonight I feel so cold by looking at you, and it's 29:4. I hear your voice by ears, and I still can't believe I did see you in faraway place. You write your words and pour it to me in my weak self. Your paper's filled with emotions of you, and so you let me know the age of 4 you got. Without pals I can only hope you'll stick with them. With all the love you receive and sparklings around you, still near you. existence is you bring me to the breeze. I love your autumn view. Whatever I see, hear you. The wave of your voice sounds beautiful to me each time. The wave of your lingered words got me crying, and so I home too. Every day I would listen to you, take me to your warm heart. And when I go blind suddenly, your waving voice could lighten me. The wave of your smile and laugh looks so beautiful to me each day. The wave of the way you talk makes the breeze come, so I could smile again. Living always, then you come to me, keeping me safe and comfy. I could have told all my stress to you, and that's what you are to me.
Two, one, two. And so I hopped on a train 3 in the afternoon. I don't know when I'm coming back, but I hope that it's soon. See, I never thought that I'd have to leave your side, your side. It's only physically, but know that you will be on my mind 24 hours at a time. 'Cause in my eyes, you're mine. No matter where you go, I won't be very far. 'Cause in my head I'll be right there where you are. Love has no distance, baby, love. Love has no distance, baby, no. Not when it comes to you and me. Said she wrote me a letter, said the weather wasn't better, but she said that she was doing fine. I wanna see you face to face, that's what she wrote to me that day, and I knew that it was all a sign. So I wrote back with this song, promise it won't be too long, promise make up for all our lost time. 'Cause in my eyes, you were mine. No matter where you go, I won't be very far. 'Cause in my head I'll be right there where you are. Love has no distance, baby, love. Love has no distance, baby, no. Not when it comes to you. And no matter where you go, I won't be very far. 'Cause in my head I'll be right there where you are. Love has no distance, baby, love. Love has no distance, baby, no. Not when it comes to you and me.
It's 5:50 something and I feel so empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky is turning red. The sparkling clouds around, or do I just get drunk? Well, it doesn't matter as long as it looks warm. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. No talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. The sound of their love and their funny talk, it's getting so loud as I keep thinking of those moments I miss, the times where I don't have to think so deeply, where I don't have to understand what does life mean. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. No talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. It's not actually good to be alone by yourself. From what I've been hiding, it's better if you have someone you can speak to, even if it's only a thing you love. Emotions are made to be destroyed. night with me. Exchange our colors in the dark sky. And when the stars are blinking, then can I dive in your instructions? Deeply, deeply dive in your glowing sky. Give me all the blossom stars in the universe in your head. I believe you could take me away. Fears and thoughts I was drowned inside. I might not know you, but your hands look warm. I imagine them feel so much warmer to my body. Take me once, kiss me once, feel me once, or just let me feel you once. I
crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heart breaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. Huckleberry friend,
What is it you want, Barry? What do you want? You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down.
Yeah.
Around is broken, flowers colored bluish, silver chairs, bed and pillow is on black and white. Took away the lights and changed it to the dim one. No pink, no green and yellow, 'cause it's on dark. Black clouds are all lying in this room, cover the presence of sadness. You're like the dim lights, warm but cold. You're like the dim lights. Each time I see, I'll capture when you smile. when you smile, those dim lights I see will never return. Your